What's up, my people? Welcome back to the Dance Dojo. Let's kick things off with some basics practice. This is just going to be a follow-along video. I'm not going to be talking. I'm going to quickly show you the steps we're going to do, and I'm going to put on some music, and we're going to get started with some good habits this year. So the steps we're going to be doing are this. Basic, front and back. We're going to be dancing on one. We're going to do a side basic. We're also going to use just the front basic, so breaking to the front. And then we're also going to use the back basic. And then I might throw some other things in there like a step, 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 touch, step, 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 touch if I feel like it, or step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, and go back to basics. So that's more or less what we're going to use, and we're going to dance to some son music. Son is the genre that came before salsa. It is the mother of salsa. So let's get started. I'm going to put on a song here. And let's go. Follow along. Basic on the spot. Now, just a reminder of your posture. You don't want to be super tall with a weight on your heels. You want to be knees bent, weight on the balls of your feet, and you're going to peel your feet off the floor. Okay? So we're here, a little bit inclined forward, not back here. Basic in the spot. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Let's move around a little bit. Let's go this way. To the left. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, back to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now let's turn and go forward. Moving around the floor is a good way to practice your coordination because you have to keep the timing with your feet, but also think about using your space. Back to front. Side basic. You can also use these videos as a warm-up for your salsa practice if you're already pretty comfortable with your basics. But practicing your basics every day is going to make a huge difference in your dancing. Now, if you're familiar with body movement, feel free to throw it in. If you're not familiar with body movement, I recommend just 90 degrees with your arms and focus on your steps and shifting your weight. That is easily the most important thing. Front and back basic. 1, 2, 3. Now, front basic. You'll notice I'm staying pretty square. We can also open up our hips a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open up your shoulders in your hips. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can dip your shoulder as you go forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Front and back basic. And you'll notice my steps are not big. I'm not doing this. I'm keeping them pretty small. So my back step is just behind my other foot. So right there. And same thing with my front step. This music's slow, so you can get away with taking bigger steps if you want to. But the next song we're going to do is faster, and you won't have time. So there we go. Next song. Okay, now that you're warmed up, let's go. Basic and spot. Let's move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's a little bit quick, but you can do it. Una niña enamorada, al novio con ilusión, te dice muy apurada, bésame en este rincón. Front back basic. El novio le dice, espera caramba, deja que pase la gente, que mira you'll notice the music change. So now we're breaking forward on 5. That doesn't matter, that's fine. If you want to switch, we can switch. All we do is repeat the basics. So. Oh, sorry. Music switched again. We're good, we're on 1. Okay, side basic. And notice, I'm not taking giant steps. You can just step right beside your feet. Just a big enough step to shift your weight a little bit. Especially because the music's faster. Let's do a back basic. Back basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Just like the front basic, we can rotate a little bit. Opening our shoulders, which is a little bit different from the full rotational basic that sometimes we call the cumbia basic, or just a rotational back basic. Go forward. Now we're going to add some angles to our front and back basic. So we're going to hook this foot back a little bit and go this way and then come back. So watch my arm. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Just making the basic steps a little bit varied, a little bit different. Something more interesting. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. Small steps, because the music's fast. Here we go. My steps are really tiny. See how small you can do your steps. Basically in the spot. It's much easier, yeah? Side basic. Let's move to the side. Use this foot to push you. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's go back this way. So do the opposite. 1, 2, 3. Use this foot to push you. 1, 2, 3. Back basic. Let's add a rotation. Small steps, small rotation. If you start doing this, it's going to be very hard. Small steps, nice and subtle movement. Front and back. Let's do a step touch. Here we go. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, forward. So you do 4 of them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Now let's create a rounded basic. We're going to hook back and hook around the front. Hook around the front, hook around the back. And there we go. So hopefully you enjoyed that basics follow along video. We're gonna have lots more to come this year. I promise I'm gonna be consistent. And if you want follow along videos, if you wanna get better at your salsa, if you really wanna make the habit this year, check out our online programs at thedancedojo.com. You're really going to love them. That's all I have to say for today. Catch you in the next video and replay this one and practice your basics every day. Peace.